Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make baklava at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of phyllo dough, about 3 cups of chopped nuts like walnuts or pistachios, 1 cup of melted unsalted butter, and for the syrup, 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Make sure your phyllo dough is completely thawed in the refrigerator overnight for best results. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Now let's assemble our baklava. Lightly butter a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Take 2 sheets of phyllo dough, brush them generously with melted butter, and place them in the pan. Repeat this process until you've used about half of your phyllo. Evenly spread your prepared nut mixture over these layers. Then, continue layering the remaining phyllo sheets, 2 at a time, brushing each pair with butter. Before baking, it's crucial to cut your baklava into desired shapes, typically diamonds or squares. Use a sharp knife and cut all the way through the layers. This helps the syrup penetrate evenly. Bake your baklava in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until it's golden brown and crispy. As soon as it comes out of the oven, pour your cold syrup over the hot baklava. The hardest part is waiting. Let your baklava cool completely, ideally for several hours or even overnight, to allow the syrup to fully absorb and set. Once cooled, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios for an extra touch of elegance and flavor. This homemade baklava is a truly delightful treat. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.